Good afternoon and welcome to Llangoed Hall. Come on in.
Set amongst the beautiful countryside of mid-Wales, Llangoed Hall is a hotel with a history. Believed to be the site of the first Welsh Parliament in 560 AD. It was lost in a card game during the 19th century and was the first major commission for Portmeirion architect Clough Williams-Ellis, who redesigned it as a mansion in 1912. It was bought by Sir Bernard Ashley, husband of fashion designer Laura Ashley, in 1987 and opened as a hotel 3 years later. Today it's a luxury award-winning country house hotel with 23 bedrooms and a general manager who says they owe their success to hard work and well-trained staff.
I've got a wonderful team. And it's all credit down to them that we're a multi-award winning hotel, because I believe in investing in my team, because actually I will and they will reap the benefits of their hard work that we put in the early stages. It's always harder at the beginning, but that filters through later on and it makes it far easier to build the business later on as well, because they've got the better skill set.
But it hasn't all been easy, and the image of the Welsh hospitality industry presents the greatest challenge of all.
Wales is facing a terrible crisis just now. We're playing catch up with the rest of our countries in the United Kingdom and definitely with Europe on the hospitality side. It's a very underrated subject and an industry that's poorly frowned upon.
Will you stay with us again?
Yes, of course, I can't wait.
One solution for this hotel was to team up with a local college, Coleg Powys, to offer staff extra opportunities to train on the job and gain qualifications at the same time.
We went from 2 staff to 6 staff to 8 staff, now to 14 staff, all on training plans that are all improving their skill set. And actually, at the end of it, they'll end up with a qualification that they didn't think they would ever have. But they're doing it while they're working, so they're earning at the same time.
My name's Karina Williams and I'm a receptionist at Llangoed Hall. I'm currently doing an MVQ in front of house and reception. When I first started, I was quite nervous on just answering the phone and talking to our guests. And now since working here, I feel confident perhaps in the future I could become a head receptionist.
My name's Richard Sturgeon and I am a front of house here at Llangoed Hall. I'm doing a NVQ here at work for front of house. So I basically get assessed on what I do on a day-to-day basis. And as I say, brilliant job. Every day is completely different and meet so many great people and just absolutely love it. Well, I'm hoping just to work my way up the ranks, hopefully. So the big aim is hotel management somewhere in the future.
Last year, a new head chef joined the team. As well as impressing with his imaginative menus, he's also on a mission to inspire the next generation of hotel workers, insisting that this is an industry where hard work and determination can lead to a bright future.
From a young age, you can work anywhere. There's plenty of jobs there. The amount of people you meet, loads of career prospect because you can move up quite quickly through the ranks. It's not like some jobs where you could be in the same job 20 years. This one, if you're good, you'll work up. The harder you work when you're younger, the better you'll be. Go try out a kitchen, write to a head chef, write to a hotel or restaurant and say, I'm interested in coming in for a bit of work experience. Check it out.
The hard work and training are already paying off. This year, Llangoed Hall has won a clutch of awards, including Welsh Hotel of the Year and Best Hotel Restaurant in the UK. And the guest book is full of glowing praise. It's giving the best start to these new recruits to the Welsh hospitality industry.